It is an honor for me to introduce our guest speaker. Our guest speaker for today is a 25-year-old guidance counselor of our very own Colegio de Amore. She is a resident of Trece Martires City, and she is the second among the 5 children of Mr. and Mrs. Alvin Mojica. She finished Bachelor of Science in Psychology in Emilio Aguinaldo College, Dasmariñas. During her college days, she was a consistent dance lister, a champion of Emilio Aguinaldo College debating contest, and a champion of Tagisan ng Talino. She is currently taking up Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling at De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. Let us give a round of applause for Ms. Joyce Ann Co. Mojica.
Good morning po. Sa mga dear parents po namin, maraming salamat po for taking time para po to be with your kids today. And dahil po dyan, gusto kong batiin yung mama ko, yung nanay ko, ayun po siya. So, and dahil dyan, gusto ko rin batiin yung kapatid ko, syempre. Take the opportunity, so si Pat. Gusto ko bumaba. Sabi po natin, we have asked you to create 12 things. So po, pakisabi po na sa katabi. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang?
Kasi katabi kita.
Okay. Sige, pero muna ako tanong, you were asked by Hasan na magdala ng scarf mo po. Dinala niyo yung scarf niyo?
Yes po.
Sino po yung walang dalang scarf? Walang dalang scarf? Grabe, hindi kayo cute. Wala kayong dalang scarf. Hindi, joke lang. Okay po, yung mga meron dalang scarf. Sige, sandali lang. Pwede po magsalita. Okay. Today, we would just want you to enjoy yung day na to and yung mga gagawin natin. It is informal gathering, hindi po siya formal. And we are just here with our team, yung IFIT peer counselors po ng college, to assist you kung paano po ba tamang magdesisyon when it comes to your career someday. Diba? Sosyal. Sige po. Bago tayo magsimula, meron po na kami gustong makita.